Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce the months of the year in English. If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to get up to date on our latest English videos. Now sit back and get ready to start saying these months in English today. Let's give it a try. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of our other videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.